Hello everyone, welcome to My Life. My name is Harry Potter. While I was just a baby, my parents and me we were attacked by the biggest wizard of time, the Lord of Darkness, Tom Elvis Jésus d'or, alias Lord Voldemort, or else he must not be named. So my father, named James Potter, tried to fight, but Voldemort killed him. My mother tried, but the spell he sent me turned again. He and Voldemort reduced to being without body, a soul which at the time party destroyed the house when I had life with a simple scarlet in the form of light on the form of light on the forehead. Hagrid, the game warden Hogwarts, came back to me and took me to the Dumbledore, the headmaster of Hogwarts, dropped me off at my aunt Petunia Dursley, my uncle Vernon Dursley, and my cousin who is also a baby one year.